In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm section after hitting Allow in the pop-up. Now to create a new alarm, use this plus at the top on the right of this section. Then customize your alarm however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. And click on alarm name to label it. Following that, you can tap on all of those switchers next to all of those features to switch them off or on. If you want to, you can also adjust each one by tapping on it on the left. Like alarm sound, tap on it, pick one of those sound sources, or adjust the volume of your alarm by operating this slider at the bottom. If you decided to select ringtone section, click on it, tap allow, manage those two options by clicking on the switchers next to them, and click on this plus at the top left corner to pick any song from your smartphone. Then decide if you wish to play selected highlights by operating this switcher at the top and hit done at the top right corner. If you don't want to do any of that, you can always just pick one of those sounds by tapping on a perfect melody and going back. Then select vibration, pick one of those patterns and even adjust intensity of haptic feedback thanks to this slider at the bottom. Go back, hit snooze and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Then go back again. Last but not least, select Alarm Background option. Hit Allow Limited Access or Allow All in the pop-up. And tap on Background at the top right corner. Top left corner. Then you can select one of those featured backgrounds by tapping on the best one and hitting done. You can also tap on any photo you want from your gallery and hit done at the top right corner to save it. Finally, select Save at the bottom right corner to create and save new alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To make some changes, tap on it, manage it, and hit save again. To turn it off or on, use this switcher next to it, and to get rid of it, hold it and click delete at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!